Yeah, thank you. You know what? Okay. Okay, let's start. So till now, we got some good grip over all collections like list, tuple, dictionary, second. Okay. Now come to transformations. On collections. So here the word transformation means perform some operation on each element of a collection. So example collection, it can be list, it can be dictionary. Of course, tuple value you cannot update, but indirect way yesterday you have seen, convert the tuple into list and then perform operations. Okay. For this small example, sorry, is it recording? Yes. Yes. There are 5 values here. Suppose if task is like this, you add 100 to each. If 100 is added to 10, that is 110. Next 120, 130, 150, 190. Okay. So here operation is adding 100, but adding 100 to each element of the list. So 2 ways we can do that. First, the traditional way, way 1 I will explain. The process is like this. First, take one empty list. After that, perform a loop. I'm going to run a loop on the list. In Python, for loop style is like this. For v in x. So here x is a list. This list has 5 elements. So this loop runs for 5 times. That means 5 iterations. At each iteration, value is coming into variable v. Okay, in the first iteration, what is the value of v? 10. In second iteration, that is 20. On that way, at each iteration, value is coming into v. What should happen to that v? I want to add an operation. For each value, I want to add 100. Now, in the first iteration, its value is 10. 10 plus 100 is 110. This 110, I want to append to this empty list. To append a value, the list dot append of v plus 100. After completion of this loop, check the value of y. And also before that, check the value of the x, both the things you just compare. Print x and print y. So for each value, 100 is added. There is second way, which is very simple way. Observe this, y equal to list. Left side expression, right side for loop. This is the style. What is for loop here? For v in x. The loop runs 5 iterations. Each value is coming into v. What should happen to that v? I want to add 100. Just print y. We got the values. With just a single line of statement, you should be able to do the transformation. Got it. One more example based on this. Next examples, directly I proceed with way number 2. I'm taking names of some people. Some name list I'm typing. There are 4 names. The task is like this: convert each name into uppercase. Okay. Directly second way I'm going to apply. For example, name 2 equal to. Same style, left side expression, right side for loop. The for loop is for n in name. So totally name list contains 4 elements. That's why 4 times the loop will go. At each iteration, value is coming into variable n. Here in the place of expression, n dot upper. Now print the values of name 2. This is name, and also I am printing the values of name 2. Check the values. Now each name is converted into uppercase. Got it. But here there is a limit for the second way. In the place of expression, you can give single expression on. But sometimes to perform your transformations, you need multiple expressions. If there are multiple expressions or complex expression, giving the expression here is very tough. In that case, we use technique of functions. Now let's see how to create a function. So here you can learn how to create functions. Suppose I want to create a function to convert first letter into uppercase. And remaining letters into lowercase. Of course, for this purpose, already you have predefined string functions here. But how to create a functions to know that? Just check this example. The keyword is def here to create a function. The function name I am giving first upper. Okay, first upper. I am passing some string into this one. Right. Before proceeding with that, just check this example. Sum s equal to just check value of the yes. Left side spaces are there, again right side spaces are there. To cut that spaces, yes dot strip. Left side, right side, white spaces, and some hidden characters like backslash n, backslash r, such kind of hidden characters also it will eliminate. Simply it trims both left and right white spaces. Okay, this is one useful function. And one more thing. Suppose s equal to Siva. I want to take the first character. You can apply similar to the list. S of 0. 0 means index number, position number 1. Index number 0 means position 1. The first position, S is separated. Just check this. Got it. If you apply dot upper of, the first character is converted into uppercase. Similarly, second onwards remaining characters I want. S of 1 colon. I'm not giving end index. It takes till last. Okay. I'm converting that into lower. Even though some uppercase letters are there, all the things will be converted into lower. Now this expression, I want to concatenate finally. How to get the first character? S of 0 dot upper. This is string number 1 plus S of 1 colon remaining characters dot lower. Now all the things will be converted. First letter into uppercase, remaining letter into lowercase. So this kind of logic I want to keep in the function. Suppose name is passed into S. First, what I am doing is S dot string. Removing the spaces in the both left and right. Converting all the things into lower. Now all letters are in lowercase. So I want to separate first character. S of 0 dot upper. Remaining characters. S of 1 colon. Already that is into lower. Now first character is in FC. Remaining characters into RC. Both the things I want to now full S equal to, or else I want to return that value. Return from this function whatever the expression you are expecting. FC plus RC to concatenate both the things. Between strings, if plus operator is applied, concatenation will happen. Got it. Now function created. I want to test this function. First upper of some spaces I am giving. R small, A capital. Sorry. What happened? V I K U M A. The name is like this. What you are expecting? The first letter only uppercase, remaining all the things to be in lowercase. The two white spaces should be removed. Now expectation is correct. Got it. Yes. So whenever you want to apply multiple expressions in a transformation, use this technique. Create them as a function, use that function in the transformation. Now come to your name. There are 4 names. Each name I want to transform. Directly, new name equal to our transformation style, left side expression. First upper. This is my expression of V for V in name. Right. Each value is coming into V. For that V, you are calling your function. Okay, now check the values of new name. For all the names, first letter uppercase, remaining letters lowercase. Okay. Mapping. It's not mapping. Each value is coming into V. That means indirectly the loop is running here. Yes. At each iteration, for each value, okay, first upper function is called. Yes. Similarly, one more function I want. The function is transform department number into department name. Suppose 11, department number 11. This should be transformed as marketing. And 12. It should be as HR. 13. This is as finance. Remaining, not 11, not 12, not 13. Other than 11, 12, 13. Remaining, other. Generally, to achieve this, you have in other languages have switch case function. Switch case. Okay, but here we don't have switch case here. By using nested ifs, you can do. By using the technique of dictionary, also you can. Both the things. First, without function, in a normal way, I present it. After that, we will make this as function, and we can call it our transformation. Get ready for this one. So, two ways we can do. First, check with way one. I'm keeping some department number. Okay. I'm fixing them some default value as other. Okay. Suppose if the condition false for the 11, false for the 12, false for the 13, some default value I'm fixing as other. Now I'm going to check the condition. If department number is equal to 11, whenever you are checking the condition, equality double equal to, similar to other languages. If department equal to 11, then dname is what you are expecting. Marketing. L if. Again, I am checking for HR. If it is 12, then dname equal to HR. Still else if. Department number equal to 13. Then dname equal to finance. Come on, confirm it. I passed 11. This condition is true. Now the statement is executed. Once execution is done, it will come out of the entire if statement. Now check the value. Print dno, common dname. It's perfect. Okay. I'm passing 17. First condition false. Second condition also false. Third condition also false. Already have a default value for that, which is 17. Now check it. The 17 is the department number and value is R. Got it. So this is one way. Later we keep this into the function. The second way, observe the second way to do the same. Here we take help of a DICT, dictionary. Already have a clarity, 11 means marketing, 12 means HR, like this. I'm taking a DEPT as a dictionary. In that dictionary, I'm keeping 11 as key, marketing as value, 12 as key, HR as value, 13 as key, finance as value. In this way, I have 3 departments. Got it? Yes. Now check the things. If DEPT, let's keep some department number here. Whatever the department number you want to pass, I'm assigning. I'm checking a condition. If DEPT dot get function help I'm taking. What is the behavior of the get? If key available, it returns value. If not available, if key available, it returns value. If not available, it returns none. If DEPT dot get off DNO equals to none. None means not available. If not available, then dname is other. Else dname is DEPT of DNO. Suppose in this example, 11 is passed. 11 is already there in the dictionary. That's why this condition false. You will come to this one. Then dname is equal to the dictionary DEPT of DNO. That means 11 is passed. If 11 passed, what will be written? Marketing. For example, if I pass 17, first condition is true. What's the value then? Other. Now check this. In this way, because we don't have any switch case kind of statements here. That's why we can take help of the dictionary. Or else simply you can say like this. One more simple way. Blindly I am fixing dname as Other. Dname as other. If dept dot get off dno, this time not equals to none. Not equals to none means that is available. If it is available, then dname equal to dept of dn. That's it. No need of any else statement here. Now print both the things, dno and dname. Check the things now. 11 is past marketing. Now 12 is past HR. 13 is past finance. I'm passing 14. You should get other. Because it is not 11, not 12, not 13. So directly by using a second way, we define a function now. Okay. But here, creating this kind of dictionary, of course, a little lengthy, that is manual work only. Let's make it as a function, please. What's the keyword to create a function? Def is the keyword. 2, dept is my function. Okay. 2 dept is my function. I will pass department number here. Initially, I'm keeping a dictionary. Already these values I will keep here. Right. Okay, let me recreate. 11 is marketing. 12 is HR. 13 is finance. Fix a default value. dname equal to other. If dept dot get off D, I will pass department number into the D. Okay. If it's not equals to none, that means available. Then dname equal to dept of D. Finally, I will return department. Got it. Now let's check this in different varieties with different values. The dept of 15, what is expected value? Other. What's their mistake? DEPT, 2 DEPT. It should return something. Return D name. Correct. You have to keep something. No, man. Check where it is. We did not run this cell, man. Please keep. Now this function definition is run. Now call it. I got other. I'm passing 12 expected value. HR. Perfect. Passing 13 expected value. Finance. Passing 11. Passing 11 expected value. Marketing. Okay. Now I'm going to call this into the transformations. For example, I have many people. Already in the previous examples, you created one list. DNO. Oh, we have overridden that one. Now DNO equals to, I'm keeping a list 11, 11, 12, 11, 12, 13, 14, 11, 15, 11. These are the employees of different departments. Now check this. I want to transform each department number into department name. Now D names equal to our transformation technique. Left side expression, right side for loop. What is our for loop for this? For V in DN. What is our for expression? Already you created a function to DEPT. Check the function name. You set it to DEPT. To DEPT of V. Over all departments will be transformed into department names. Look at the first two. First two are marketing. 12 is HR. Right. Okay. Similarly, one more example for you. Define. This time I want to convert salaries into grades. So I want to make a function for this. Define to grade. Here I will pass salary value. Default value something I am fixing like a D grade. Okay. If salary greater than or equals to 1 lakh, then grade equal to A. L if salary, because here the numerical values are including with ranges. Suppose 75,000 above and less than or equals to, if it is salary greater than or equals to 75 and less than 1 lakh, that is grade B. 75,000. Then grade equals to B. Still a live. Salary greater than or equals to 50,000. Then grade equals to C. If it is less than 50,000, already some default value in the beginning only we set. If first condition false, second false, third false. Okay. First is talking about above or equals to 1 lakh. Second is between 75 to up to 1 lakh. But here I did not say the condition less than 1 lakh, because if you reach second condition means if first condition false only, you are coming to the second condition. If you reach the second condition means definitely value is less than 1 lakh only. And here definitely the value is less than 75 only. So finally I am going to return that grade. Return grade. So all is written. Now test this function. We set the function name as 2 grade. 2 grade of 80,000. What is the expected value? B. I am keeping 1,80,000. Expected value is A. Keeping 60. That is C grade. Keeping 30. That is D grade. Got it. Now we can apply this into the list. Suppose salary is our list. Let me keep some values here. Salary plus equals to. I'm adding 1,20,000 and 1,50,000, which are grade A people. Now the latest salary is, those two values have been appended here. I want to transform each salary into grades. Sorry. As usual, your technique grade equal to expression 2 grade of V or V in 7. All grade. Okay, this is a way like to apply multiple expressions. Suppose this much of biggest expression, this entire thing is a single statement. This entire thing is a single statement that to here some default value grade you have set. This kind of multiple statements you cannot keep into this transformation. In the transformation part, only one statement is allowed. And that is this one. Got it. Even you can apply these functions. You can perform these kind of transformations on a dictionary also. Suppose let's keep a dictionary. E-info is there already in our first part of today's session. We created this. Got it. Now tell me. Salary I want to convert into grade, sir. Department number I want to convert into department name. That to finally what I am expecting 101 as key, remaining information tuple as value. The tuple as value. So here it is Ravi salary. 10,000 means I need additionally grade. Grade is D grade. 11 means marketing. I want like that. So additionally I need 2 fields. Additionally I need 2 fields over here. Okay. Now come to this. How we are doing that? I'm going to run a loop on dictionary for K in E info. Just at each iteration, print K, you will understand what is coming into this K. If you run a loop on a dictionary, only key will be passed to this variable, but not the value. Check it. Yes. It has taken only key. So online team, are you following this? Okay. I want key along with that value. Key comma the dictionary E info. I'm passing that key. Look at the first iteration. What is the value of K? 101. If 101 is passed into the dictionary, what I will get? I will get this entire tuple. Okay, that is already there. Now check this. Key value, both the things I got it. Got it. Yes. Yeah. So my transformation here I am expecting. In the place of tuple, I want to add 2 fields. Grade I want to add, department name I want to add. Okay, already we have functions 2 grade, 2 DEPT. In the previous cells we created them. Okay, now check how I am going to perform the transformation. Observe this. Def, I am creating a function. Function name is, let's say, new tuple. I will pass current tuple into this. Right? I want to separate salary. In the tuple, where is the salary? Second one, first position. T of 1. I want to separate a department number. That is the last one. T of -1. Got it. Department number separated. Yes. Salary separated. I'm computing grade. Let's say GRD equal to grade of salary. Already have a function. To grade. Similarly, department name I want. D name equal to DEPT. Already we created this function of DN. Finally, what I am going to return? I want to return tuple of first name. Where is name? T of 0. After that, salary I want. After that, grade I want. After that, gender. That sex value is in last second one. T of -2. After that, department number I want. After that, department name I want. T of 0 means name. Salary already separated, that's why salary and then grade. After that, T of -2, which is gender value. After that, department number already separated. Then finally, I am keeping until. So this thing I am going to return. This is my function. This function I will use in transformation. Check the things, what we are doing now. Let's say new dictionary, new e-info equal to. What's our transformation technique? Expression for loop. Expression and for loop. What is a for loop? For K in dictionary. Understand? For K in dictionary. In the first iteration, what is the value of the K? 101. 101. I want to pass 101 value. How to get it? E-info of K. I will get a tuple here. On this tuple, I want to call above function. What is the function name? New tuple. I am calling a new tuple. Got it. I am calling new tuple. Now check the content of new E input. My expectation correct or not? But here what is missing? Key missed. Only value got. Okay, I need that key also. Okay, what to do for that? What to do? I got only the key. The value I am getting. I want to map these two things. Already have the technique. If it is list, finally new DICT equal to. This is a list, sir. Already keys are in there in e-info dot keys. These two things I am zipping. Okay. Entire zipped content I am converting into DICT. Yes, dictionary. Now check the value of new dates. I get a dictionary. The value is this. Understand this? Yes. Online team, please confirm me. Did you understand this? Yes. So in this way, so many transformations that you need to do. Okay. One more, a few more examples. One simple example I will demonstrate on aggregations now. We have different aggregation functions. Like sum, you will get total salary. But sum you are applying means the input object should be a list of numerical values. Yes. To find out number of elements, len is the function. To find out average, directly we don't have average function here. That's why the average sum of salary divided by len of salary. So total divided by number of elements is average. Similarly, max value is available. Max function. And also minimum function. All these are the predefined functions. So max salary is here 1,50,000, minimum salary 50,000. Now based on this technique, based on these functions, I want to find out grouping aggregations. Suppose if you look into the gender, there are two groups. Number one, male group. Second, female. I want to find out what is the total salary for male, total salary for the female. Got it. Find total salary for males and total salary for females. This is my task. Let's check your e-info. Think that your input object is a dictionary. Yes. How many males, how many females? Tell. There are 3 males, 2 females. I want to find out what is a male total salary and what is a female total salary. Input is this dictionary. Got it. To do this, the technique, whenever you want to find out the grouping aggregations, first create an empty dictionary. Suppose gender total. I am keeping as empty dictionary. I want to run this loop across this dictionary for k in e-info. So at each iteration, what is coming into that k? The key is coming into the k. I want this value. How to get that value? The value v equal to the dictionary e-info of k. I got the tuple. Now v value is this tuple. To answer my about ask, I don't want all the fields. I just need gender value and salary value. I'm separating the gender. From that tuple, what is the number? -2, last second. I want salary. That is second one, V of 1. The required fields are separated. Now, in the dictionary, I want to keep gender as a key, the total salary as value. So how to decide like which one is key, which one is value here? Look into the task, you get clue. Where are groups? In the gender. For each group of the gender, you want to find out total salary. That means by which column you want to find out aggregations. By which grouping column you want to find out aggregations. Make that as key. On which column you want to find out aggregation? On salary. Make that as value. Okay. Observe this technique. I am verifying whether the given key is available in the dictionary or not. Suppose in the first iteration person is male. In this moment, male available in this dictionary or not, I want to check. If G total dot get off that gender equals to none. Equals to none means not available. If not available, I want to insert G total of gen equals to cell. Else G total, if it is already available to the existed salary, I want to add G total plus equals to salary. Suppose first one is in the beginning, that is empty. First person is male. First time male is entered into this one. Suppose second person also male, then this condition falls. If false, to the existed salary, we are adding new salary. To the existed salary, we are adding new salary. So after completion of this loop, you will get your result. Print G total. Check it now. G total of gender you need to set. Here the key is gender. Now check the thing. Male 1,40,000 is the total salary. Female 25,000 is the total salary. Please confirm it. The result correct or not? How many males? 3 males. 10,000 plus 40, 50. 50 plus 90, 1,40,000. Correct. Correct. There are 2 females. First female 20,000. Second female 50,000. Total 25,000. We got correct. Based on this, you tell me, do a small modification and tell me the code for the department number. I take copy. For each department number, I want total salary. In our example, I have 3 departments. I'm taking a dictionary D total. What are the things required? Department number required. Department number is last one. So that -1. In the place of key, I am passing that D total of the key is this time department number. If department number not available, you are inserting. If available, you are adding. Now finally, I am printing D total. Check this. Seventy. 1 minute. Where is the position of D info? 11 perfect. D total. Here we missed that. We did not change this. D total. Here also D total. Now run the same. We have three departments: 11, 12, 13. 11 total salary 1 lakh. 12 total salary 25. 13 total salary 40,000. Got it? Yes. So similar style, little modification. I want to find out max. Max salary for each gender. Tell me the modification in the code. Already code ready for you. Use that code as a template. If not available, you are inserting okay. If available, you need to find out the max. Okay. Here, G total of gender equal to max or existed value, G total of gender, that is existed value. New salary. Suppose existed salary is 20,000. New salary is 30,000. Max of 20,000 comma 30,000, 30. The 30 will be replaced. Okay. Just replace that as G max. This is as G max. Here also I am keeping G max. G max. No. Printing the G max. Here also G max. I have two genders here. Male total salary is 90,000. Female total salary is, sorry, max salary. Max salary. Male max salary 90,000. Female max salary 20,000. Same thing you want minimum salary. Do the replace the function with MIN. MIN is the function. Remaining process set. Got it. Observe one more example. For each gender, or for each department number of its subgroup gender, find total salary. That means 11. If 11 is the key department number, under 11 males are there. 11 male total salary and 11 female total salary. Similarly, 12 male and 12 female. So within the 11, within one particular department, males are there, females are there. Okay. So such kind of output I want. Again, I replace the above code and do the modification. This time, let's say DZ total. Department gender total. Empty dictionary. To achieve this answer, I need three fields now. I need department number, gender, salary. Already gender salary separated. Separating the department number. V of -1 because that is the last one. But I cannot make two values as key. Only one value can be a key. Two things I cannot make it as a key. That's why small cheating here. Suppose my key equal to, I'm keeping a tuple of DNO, comma gender. Now tuple is a single object. That single object I will make it as a key. I am checking with if my dictionary dz total dot get off my key equals to none. If not available, I want to insert that dz total of my key equal to self. Else dz total of my key plus equal to self. Finally printing dz total. Small modification. So what's the technique? Whenever you want to make two things as key, make it as a tuple. Keep the tuple as a key. Now check the content of it, output of it. 11 male total salary, but in the 11 there are no females. Again 12 female total salary. Within the 12 there are no males. 13 male total salary, 40,000. Got it? In this way, if I have 100 departments, two gender groups, totally how many pairs I will get? 100 into 2. 200 pairs I will get. Understood? This is single multi-grouping with single aggregation. I'll label it multi-grouping. That means grouping by multiple columns with single aggregation. Just to give me 2 minutes time, sir. Just tied. Just 2 minutes. Other 2 examples I will show you and then we'll close. Don't go, please. Let's continue. Now I need single grouping with multiple aggregations. What's the meaning of it? Grouping by any one column, maybe gender or maybe department number like that. But I need multiple aggregations like total salary, number of elements, and I mean number of employees, max salary, minimum salary, average salary, everything I want. To find out that, different techniques we need to follow. So I'm writing this from the scratch. Let's say gender based. G aggregation. As usual, that is an empty dictionary. Or saying that G info. For K in E info. E info is a dictionary. I want that value. Value is a tuple. E info of K. I want to separate gender. What is the gender position? Last second one. V of -2. Salary, which is second one. That means V of 1. Now observe this very here the technique whenever I want to perform multiple aggregations. If gender dot get off, Durga got the sound against you. if gender, sorry, G-info dot get off gender equals to none. None means not available. If not available, what I am doing, just observe. G-info of gender equals to, previously said salary. Now instead of saying salary, I am saying list of salary. Now gender value, which is male as key, list of his salary as well. If condition false, I am appending that. G-info of gender dot append of new cell. Up to now, what happens? Just observe. Print G info. There are two genders, male and female. All male cell is formed as one list, all female cell is formed as one list. Got it? Now this is phase number 1 work. Now in the phase 2, I'm going to work with this G info. Let's say G summary, gender summary as an empty dictionary. For V, for K in G info. G info is a dictionary. At each iteration, key is coming into that K. I want that salary list. To separate that salary list, S list equal to G info of K. In the first iteration, what is the value of K? M. If M is passed here, what I get? I get this value. That is a list. Now I am going to find out the total. Is a sum of S list. I'm going to find out number of employees, counts, len of S list. I need average. There is no average function. That's why total divided by count. Max salary. Max of S list. Minimum salary. Min of S list. Okay. All aggregations are find out. But I cannot return all these values. So that again, old technique. To return all these multiple values, make them as a tuple. Return a tuple of total, count, average, max salary, and min salary. Finally, I am returning a tuple. Understood? What it is showing error at return. Right. That's a result equal to. Result is a tuple now. I keep all the things. Total, count, average, max salary, min salary. Return. Oh, this is not a function, man. Why we should return it? Okay. Now this is a G summary. G summary is an empty dictionary. For this is a key. This entire result is where I'm going to insert that. G summary of K. K is gender value here equal to result. My work is over. Now print the value of G summary. For each gender, I will get all aggregations. Please comment about males here. There are 3 males. Total salary of males is 1,40,000. The average is 46,666. Okay, let's keep something int. I'm converting that float value into the integer. The max salary of the males is 90,000, minimum salary 10,000. Same thing for the female. In this way, multiple aggregations you get. Got it. I take same copy as the last finishing touch. Observe here. Let's go into separate cell. I'm doing modification. Let's say DG info. Department gender info. Additionally, I'm separating department number also here. V of -1, which is the last one in the tuple. Yes. Here I'm keeping a key. My key equal to is a tuple of department number and gender. G info of data. DZ info of. Here in the place of key, I'm using my key, which is a tuple. I'm replacing all with my key. Here also my key. Now check the values of it. Now this time, department gender tuple you will get as a key. In 11 male, there are two persons. 12 female, 2 persons. 13 male, 1 person. Okay. And one more thing. On the DJ info, I want to apply this one, this code, the second phase code. I'm copying this. Come on, replace it. This time DG summary. Now tuple is key value. I'm getting that list. DG info. Total I am finding count, average, max salary, minimum salary. Finally, result I am making it as a tuple. Now DG summary of K equal to result. Finally, you are printing DG summary. Check the things. Here DG info. What is the previous dictionary name? DG info. Here the loop I'm running on DG info. Okay. Now run the same. Now this is, check the result, grouping by multiple columns. And also I got multiple aggregations. What's our comment on the 11 males? In the 11 department, there are 2 males. Their total salary 1 lakh. Average salary 50, max salary 90, minimum salary 10,000. If there are females in the 11, again 11 female, one more tuple. 12 male, 12 female, 13 male, 13 female. In this way, we'll be getting. Let's check the details line by line. For K in DG summary. I'm printing each K and DG summary of K. Just I'm trying to show all the things in a line by line. That's why performing a loop on this one. Okay. So this kind of model is called multi-grouping with multiple aggregations. Of course, when you step into the pandas, in a easy way, very easy way, you can do that one. Just to get grip over the collections and controlling statements. We are writing manually without using any additional library. We are writing the code. So this example is for multi-grouping with multiple aggregations. Got it? Yeah. I think today's dosage is over. Some little more examples. I will share you this document right now. Just stay on the line. Yesterday's notes first I will take copy. I rename this. It's for today. This link is for today. I will open yesterday's also. This is yesterday's. It's in restricted mode or let me check. Yeah, you can access directly. Sir, please check in the chat. Please open, click on that links and confirm me whether those links are opening or not. Yeah, Abhilash, recordings by evening I will upload into the drive. I will share you. Meanwhile, you just follow the notes, yesterday notes and today's notes. Yesterday 2 sessions, today's 2 sessions. Yesterday 2 are available in the day 1, sir, and today's 2 are available in the day 2. And please confirm me anyone whether these links are opening or not. Please check both the links. Yes, yes, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you very much. Let's meet on the next weekend. Still other topic is there like Python handling with files. After that, I will step into the NumPy. Next week only we are stepping into the data analytics, especially with the NumPy, how to do the analytics and how to implement the predictive models, and with the pandas, how to clean the data, and more operations about data preparations, data cleaning with pandas, the data analytics related, we will learn next week. If time favors, I will cover object-oriented programming also. Okay? Yeah. Timing I will announce in the group. Mostly on Saturday we start at 10. If there is any change, I will inform you in the group. Mostly either 9 or 10 we will start. Okay. Yeah. That's all of you. Thank you very much. ఇది మీ స్టూడెంట్స్ కూడా లింక్స్ పంపించండి ఎవరైనా అటెండ్ కాకపోతే. Yes.